Gmail is an emailing service provided by Google. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a new Gmail account. Even if you have an already existing one, open your Gmail app, which comes in every new phone. When you open it, click on this image. That's if you already have logged into your phone with a particular email account. Click on add another account. When you click on add another account, it's going to open like this. Then click on Google. Even if you don't have if you are not logged in, it will still open like this. Click on create account. Then choose whether it's for personal use or business or work. Then you are going to enter all the details like your first name and your last name. If this is for your business, you can choose enter your business names as the first name and the last name. Click on next. When you are done entering, then it will require like your date of birth. Choose your gender. If you're a male or a female, put your date of birth and click on next. After creating your date of birth, it will give you all these addresses. You can choose to create your own unique email address. Then click on password. When you click on password, create a password. Don't forget to create a strong password. Click on next. Then you now choose to add phone number or skip, or just follow the prompts. Then this is how my email blissfulnotes@gmail.com. That's the new email I'm creating. Then if you agree to their services, you click on agree. As if you don't even have any other option, you must agree. Just do few settings to customize your preferences. That's just it. Then it's going to come up like this. Then you also click on that particular image to switch over to this new one. You see the new account has already been created, so click on it to switch over to it. So now I'm switched over to this new account, and you will see that I already have a Google Community Team email already sitting in my inbox. I'll just open it, read it, and now we have a new account. You can send emails, you can use Google services, because without email Gmail you cannot be able to log into Google services. You can also join meetings that are held on Google Meet app. So or whether you have the app or not, you can join it. Then click on that image for you to change your profile picture. Then you can choose an illustration or an art, or from your Google Photos, or choose from device photos, which I did. And this is the profile picture I set for this my email, and that is all done. Once I save it, I'm all set up for the new email address I've created. So you can create as many emails as you want to. I don't know the exact number of email addresses you can create, but you can create more than 5, I think so, for different things you need, academic, social, or whatever. Don't use one email for everything. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.